How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to Pioneer Chrysler. Now here at Pioneer Chrysler, we take pride in our trades, but one of our most valued trades that we have going on right now is a 2019 3500 Tradesman. Check it out. All right, here we are under the hood. Now what really separates Ram from the rest of the pack is our 6.7 turbo diesel engine with a towing capacity of over 25,000 pounds and a payload of 7,500 pounds. Now, if you want to be towing a trailer, a horse trailer, a big old generator, this thing gets the job done. All right, here we are inside. Now, the reason why this is such a high value trade-in is that it only has 31,000 kilometers on it. So, comes with your trailer tow brake, comes with backup camera, 40-20-40 bench seat, the perfect truck for a working man or working woman to make sure that you get the job done. This 3500 is a crew cab, so the bench seat does come up. You have a little bit of extra room down in the bottom for storage as well. Lots of leg room here in the back if you do have people coming in the back seat as well. It's a long box. All right, that about sums it up. If you have any questions, feel free to come in and take it for a test drive. Ask for Nathan. You can reach me at 604-329-3693. That's 604-329-3693. Let's get her done.